Welcome back to Easy Chemistry by Vanilla. In today's video, we are going to learn about n-bromosuccinimide, commonly known as NBS. NBS is very important reagent in organic chemistry, especially for allylic and benzylic bromination reaction. We will discuss what NBS is, why it is used, its reaction mechanism, and exam important points in a very simple way. So let's get started. So first of all, reaction. NBS is prepared by addition of Br2 in ice cold medium solution, ice cold solution of succinimide in alkali medium to form NBS. NBS depends upon nature of solvent. So first one, NBS CCl4 non-polar solvent. It is free radical reaction, radical initiator, like hydrogen peroxide, AIBN and peracid. So next one, NBS CCl4 NBS methanol or ACOH. It is polar solvent. It is ionic mechanism. Electrophilic reaction, and also it follows Markovnikov rule. Next, third one, NBS quaternary ammonium salt. It is addition reaction. Two bromines added around double bond. So these are the nature of solvent. So next one, bromination at allyl position or benzyl position by using NBS or CCl4 is known as Wohl-Ziegler reaction. So reactivity order for this: benzyl, tertiary allyl, secondary allyl, and finally primary allyl. So this is benzyl. Tertiary, secondary. So example for this is NBS CCl4 This is the attaching of bromine. This is primary. So second example, NBS CCl4. Here where bromine is attached, this one, this place, this secondary, this is primary. So next point, alpha 2 carbonyl group or alpha 2 triple bond also reaction with NBS or CCl4. This is the position of bromine. Here the position of bromine. Example, NBS CCl4. Bromine attack here. So next point, alpha 2 triple bond is highly reactive over double bond. Example, this is triple bond, this is double bond. So here triple bond is highly reactive over double bond. So this is triple bond, it will attack bromine. So after this, example for this NBS. Cyclohexene reaction with NBS CCl4. So where the bromine is attacked, here double bond. Okay, allyl oxidation here. So bromine is attacked here. So after this, alcoholic KOH, potassium hydroxide, alcoholic KOH, it is elimination reaction. So here elimination of bromine and it here hydrogen. So it forms one double bond like this. After this, you have to repeat the same reagent. So finally you can get benzene. This is very simple example. Next, this is dehydration reaction. Al2O3, it is a surface phenomena. Here removal of hydroxy group and hydrogen. So here how many are there? 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. So here double bond. After that, repeat the NBS CCl4 and alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH means removal of bromine and here hydrogen. So by removal of these two, it can form double bond. Like this. This is A and this is B. After this, ogenolysis means cleavage of both double bonds. here CH3, here carbonyl compound, here double bond, here double bond O. So CH3 CHO plus this is glyoxal plus finally formaldehyde C D E. I think you understand this example. First, here removal of hydroxy and removal of hydrogen, product like this. After this NBS reaction with this, by removal of bromine and here hydrogen, it can form double bond. By ozonolysis, products like aldehyde, glyoxal and formaldehyde. This is another example by using NBS or CCl4. Here first MnO2 manganese dioxide works on removal of hydroxy group and hydrogen. It can form aldehydes. After NBS CCl4 works on form a bromine. On allylic position it attack allylic position it attack bromine. So how is the product this? Bromine will attack on only most substituted part. So in this, which is the most substituted part? This one. So it attack bromine. Next, by removal of hydroxy, it can form carbonyl compound. After this, reaction with N-phenyl morpholine. This is the structure for N-phenyl morpholine. And second, LiAlH4. Morpholine is attack on removal of hydrogen and bromine. LiAlH4, aldehyde converts into alcohol. This aldehyde. Removal of bromine. Here removal of bromine and here one hydrogen. So it can form double bond. So double bond here. So finally it forms hydroxy group. This is vitamin A2. Vitamin A2 is formed from vitamin A1. Before it is hydroxy group is there. After finally also hydroxy group by using reagent LiAlH4. LiAlH4 is aldehydes can convert into alcohol. Another example, cyclohexene. Reaction with NBS CCl4 and NBS ammonium salt or tetramethyl ammonium salt. What is A and what is B? So here it is non-polar solvent. Bromine will attack on allyl position. This is allyl position. So product like this. It is a free radical mechanism, free radical reaction, which is non-polar solvent NBS CCl4. So next, NBS and quaternary ammonium salt. It is a reaction where double bond is present, by disappearing of double bond, it can forms two bromines. Before I said that this one, two bromine are added around double bond. So this is double bond. By disappearing of double bond, it can form two bromines. Next one, NBS CCl4, NBS methanol, which it is a polar solvent. Here, where the bromine will attack? This is primary, this is secondary. Primary allyl position, secondary allyl position. So, where the bromine will attack? Bromine attack only secondary allyl position. I think you remember this order. So, NBS with methanol. Bromine will attack below the plane. Here negative part will attack above the plane. Additional methyl will attack below the plane. These two are in opposite. One is below and another is above. So the final example for this is cyclohexene reaction with NBS water and NBS methanol. Here bromine will attack below the plane. Negative part will attack opposite that, above the plane. Here oxygen attack here by removal of bromine. This is neighboring group participation. It can form epoxides. This is called bromine and hydroxy group is present. It is called halohydrine. It is also transform. One is above and one is below. Trans isomer. Next, NBS with methanol. Negative part will attack above the plane. And bromine will attack below the plane. This is also trans. So these are the examples of NBS, n-bromosuccinimide. The complete introduction and basic understanding of NBS. If you are preparing for board exams, JEE or CSIR NEET or university exams, this video is for. Share with your friends and subscribe to Easy Chemistry by Vanilla for more chemistry concepts explained easily. If you have any doubts or want to detailed mechanism video on NBS, let me know in comments. Next video, I will share some more important questions on NBS. If you understand clearly this concept, I am sure you can easily attempt this type of NBS reagent questions in any competitive exams. Thank you for watching.